This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Being careful not to touch the hot exhaust components, position a drain pan under the engine oil drain plug. Unscrew and remove the drain plug, being careful not to drop the plug into the drain pan. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag. Any small metal particles clinging to the plug would immediately contaminate the new oil. If the sealing washer on the drain plug is damaged, replace it with a new one. Also clean the area around the drain plug opening. Reinstall the plug and tighten it to the specified torque setting. Position the drain pan underneath the oil filter. Loosen the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise with a filter wrench. Any standard filter wrench will work. Once the filter is loose, use your hands to unscrew it from the block. Empty out the oil from the old filter into the drain pan. Make sure that none of the old gasket remains stuck to the mounting surface. It can be removed with a scraper, if necessary. Using a clean rag, wipe off the filter mounting surface on the block. Smear some engine oil on the rubber gasket of the new filter. Screw the filter into place on the engine. Over-tightening the filter will damage the gasket, so don't use a filter wrench. Tighten the filter by hand only. Remove all tools and materials from under the vehicle, being careful not to spill the oil in the drain pan. Lower the car to the ground. Remove the oil filler cap. Add new oil of the specified type to the engine through the oil filler neck. Use a funnel to prevent oil from spilling onto the top of the engine. Pour about 3½ quarts of oil into the engine, then wait a few minutes to allow the oil to drain into the bottom of the engine. Pull out the oil dipstick and wipe all of the oil away from the end of the dipstick with a clean rag or paper towel. Insert the clean dipstick all the way back into the tube until it seats completely. Then pull it out again. Note the oil at the end of the dipstick. Once the oil level has reached the upper mark, fully insert the dipstick and install the filler cap hand tight. Start the engine and allow the new oil to circulate. Allow the engine to idle for about a minute. While the engine is running, look under the vehicle and check for leaks at the oil drain plug and around the oil filter. If either one is leaking, stop the engine and tighten the plug or filter until it is secure. Turn the engine off and wait a few minutes. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary to bring the level to the upper mark. Fully insert the dipstick and install the filler cap, tightening it securely by hand. Turn the key to the on position. Push the Select Reset button repeatedly until the engine oil life indicator is displayed. Push and hold the Select Reset button until the oil life indicator and other maintenance codes blink. Then release the button. Push and hold the button again for 5 seconds. The oil life indicator should now display 100%.